Hello, Tessa. Thank you for sharing your elevator speech with us today. I appreciate your doing that. I want to draw your attention to the fact that the sound levels on your video were very low, almost making it impossible to hear. It's always a good idea to check your sound levels before you begin your presentation. It's clear that you put a lot of time and effort into your speech, but if we can't hear you, it's pretty much wasted. So check those small things. Lighting and sound and camera placement can make all the difference in a presentation. Even a poor presentation will sound better if you have those three things going for you. So check them first, and then go ahead and give your presentation. You did a good job with this elevator speech, and I want you to know that. So go on to milestone 2, and I will see you there. Thanks again.